Ready to ditch vanilla and dive headfirst into a modded Minecraft adventure with your friends? First, you'll need to download the Minecraft server software from the official Minecraft website. Make sure you select the version that matches the mods you want to use. Create a new folder on your computer and place the CurseForge file inside. Next, grab the CurseForge app. It's the easiest way to manage modpacks. Browse through the available modpacks or create your own custom one. This ensures everyone has the same mods, preventing compatibility issues. Once you've chosen a modpack, click Install. CurseForge will automatically download and install all the necessary mods. After installation, locate the server files for your modpack. This folder contains the configuration files and the all-important mods folder. Now, open the server properties file in a text editor. This file controls various server settings. The two most important settings are the server port and online mode. The default port is 25,565, but you can change it if needed. Set online mode to false if you and your friends are using cracked versions. Otherwise, keep it true. Time for the trickiest part: port forwarding. Access your router's settings, usually through a web browser. Find the port forwarding section and create a new rule to forward the port you specified in the server properties file, typically 25,565, to your computer's local IP address. Search on Google how to port forward your router model if you have difficulty. Finally, start your server by running the CurseForge file. Give it a minute to load up, then tell your friends your public IP address and the port number. They can enter this information into their Minecraft launcher to connect to your modded server. Now you are all set. Enjoy playing together.